So, I hear you want to type like a pro. Let's start by setting up your finger positioning. Look at the F and J keys on your keyboard. Do you see the bumps on each key? Close your eyes and feel for the bumps using your 2 index fingers. Take your time, but don't look. Did you get it? Your index fingers should always find their way back to F and J by feeling for those bumps. Now curve your fingers and bring your other fingers down on the next 3 keys on either side. This is called the home row position. For example, to type the letter U, your right index finger will travel up 1 key and then quickly return to the bump on the J key. Okay, before we start, there is only one rule you must always follow. Never, ever look at the keyboard while typing. If you follow this rule, your index fingers will quickly learn to find their way home by feeling for the bumps. Fast typists forget about the keyboard and don't even realize their fingers are at work. They feel one with the computer. After some practice, you'll start feeling it too. The computer becomes a part of your body and your mind is in full control. Let's get started. Having a home is important, wouldn't you say? It's where we go to rest, start our day, and even begin our travels. Did you know that when typing, your fingers also have a home on your keyboard? It's called the home row. The home row is made up of 8 special keys. It starts with A, S, D, and F, jumps over G and H, and keeps going with J, K, L, and stops at semicolon. It's called the home row because it is where your fingers should feel at home when typing. From the home row, all other keys are just a short distance away. As you practice, you will build speed because you hardly have to move your fingers from one key to the next. You see, hunting and pecking at letters makes it harder to concentrate when you type. You also type slower and build the wrong muscle memory. The home row is awesome because it helps you know where to place your hands, even without looking at the keyboard. Look, these are the F and J keys. Take both of your index fingers and feel for the bumps on these 2 keys. You can even do this without looking at the keyboard. Now curve your hands like bear paws, and bring your fingers down on the next 3 keys on either side. When you do this, the letter G and H keys should be open without any fingers on them. Placing your fingers on the home row will help you learn to type faster and build the correct muscle memory. Now try doing it with your eyes closed. Anytime you find your fingers traveling around the keyboard while you type, remember to feel for those bumps on F and J, and bring your fingers back to home sweet home.